gone in a matter of minutes. While thousands of firefighters work to help keep more ground from being lost, volunteers from the American Red Cross are helping those who have already lost so much.
We're using a lot of these on the ground in California right now. And so some of the things that you're going to have in here, we're going to have cots. So being able to provide that resource for people on the ground, so that way they have a place to be that's not on the ground.
10 volunteers from North Carolina, 3 from right here in our region, providing a light to those caught in the darkest of times.
This is a comfort kit. It is providing the essential items for those victims of the California wildfires who may have lost everything.
And so these are small things, but if you're trying to recover and process what's happened to you and your family, getting a warm Red Cross cot and a hug and a warm meal and those types of things, the opportunity to talk with somebody who's a licensed practicing psychologist, is helpful to get them to sort of process what major change has just happened in their lives.
For some of these volunteers, it's another unspeakable tragedy they are bearing witness to. The American Red Cross put boots on the ground in the aftermath of Hurricane Helene in western North Carolina, providing food and housing for storm victims. Now they're on the West Coast doing the same.
So this vehicle has a feature when we go into impacted communities. We can open the window here just like a food truck you would find anywhere in town. And we can drive into impacted communities, and as people are trying to salvage whatever things they can, we can serve them a hot meal.
And serve more than 900 people in need of shelter and in need of hope for whatever tomorrow brings. In Wilmington, Ariana Bertolotti, WECT News.
James Jarvis says as for the Red Cross's ongoing efforts in western North Carolina, they're now focusing on long-term recovery projects.